The thing about owning a classic 911 is that they still need to be serviced, and finding the right person is very hard. I'm on my way over to meet a chap called Peter Tognola, who is a Porsche specialist, and he's been highly recommended to me. So I'm interested to see how his workshop is, his setup is, and how he comes across with what he thinks that we should and shouldn't do. I'm always intrigued to go and visit a workshop to see where my car's going to be serviced. Seeing a workshop gives you a great insight into the level of care and attention to detail that that person has, and a really clean environment is paramount. The level of engineering in a Porsche, as I've stated before, is, I think this car, the 964, was over-engineered. And I'm driving a car here that's over 30 years old, and it still drives great. But again, I've said that before, it's about the attention to detail of the service history. Part of owning this Porsche and a classic car is to keep it in tip-top condition. When I bought this car, the alloy wheels were looking very old and chipped, and a few little curb marks, and the paint was peeling off in certain areas. So I've just arrived at Tognola Engineering, a Porsche specialist in Datchet, and I'm just about to see what a clean, and it is a very clean setup. In fact, it's immaculate in here. So I've just left Tognola Engineering, very hidden away, very clean, real proper Porsche enthusiast, races Porsche, and really knows what he's doing. So here we are, bespoke alloys. Alloy wheels done, looking fantastic. As I say, refurbished by Bespoke Alloys. The next job to do is to take this car on a good road test. So we're aiming to go down into Devon, go across the moors, and spend a couple of days filming and driving the car. Make a few decisions, giving a good road test report, and decide what we feel needs to be done when it goes in for the service. Whether just doing a service on it, or whether we're going to do some interesting enhancements and upgrades, and then we'll take it on another road test to report back to you, keeping a video diary of what we're doing. And you can follow the journey with me, Warren Beckwith, at Iconic Cars.